Hey guys, welcome to my first video today. Alright guys, I'm in the game with my friend Nathan. Say hi. Do the /E wave. Only if it works for you, because they cannot hear you. Yep. So yeah, let's go find some online daters. Gotta change my name to Evan, because like last server, all girls just came up to me and be like, they like me and they want to be with me. So I made a video of trolling, so let's go find one. Nathan, come. I have my chat closed, I don't know why, but this is the chat. I actually just joined the server, so I don't know what anybody is doing, so I'm gonna close the chat. Come Nathan. Not. I'll just put you in the stroller. Yeet. Ella looks like an online dater. Nathan, should we go get, should I try to troll Ella that I like her? Say yes, not in the Roblox thing. Alright. So I'm gonna say, hi Ella. You are cute in Roblox. Or if any admins are watching this, please don't ban me because I'm trolling. Wants to go out? Yeah, I don't know why I'm actually saying this. If she says yes, she's an online dater. If she says yes, she's an online dater because she doesn't know I'm trolling. She actually says sure. Come on, Nathan, let's go. To where? Okay, come, Nathan. Guys, my real name is my Roblox name. If she takes me to the bed, if she takes me to her house, I'm gonna say, haha, get exposed on YT. Online dater. Yeah, then I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Guys, I used to have 2,000 cash and I like spent all my money on some random stuff I don't use. Dude, I'm gonna close the chat again. Oh my gosh, she's so far away. Is she actually taking me? What? No, I am not. This is your house? Okay, Nathan, just go knock away. Just go walk away. Do not say his friend. Then you're gonna come in. Okay, if she tells me to go to the bed, I am literally gonna expose her. Oh wait, where's she going now? Oh, she's just sitting down. I thought she was going to her house, but I'm just gonna expose her right here. By the way, Ella, get exposed on YT online dater. Nathan is my friend. Get exposed on YT online dater. Nathan is my friend. Get exposed. Exposed. Bye. She doesn't even care. Okay, let's go troll some other online daters. No, Nathan, let's go troll some other online daters. Come on. You coming, bro? Let's go troll some other online daters. And by the way, guys, if you think I'm using avatar editor, this is my real avatar. Like, I can even reset. Like, look. Like, if I reset, it's my real avatar. Like, see? I'm gonna be this teenager. Okay, now I'm gonna go find some other online daters. Or, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna be trolling online daters, asking them out. Then, if they say no, they're not an online dater. If they say yes, they're an online dater because I'm trolling them. If they say no, they're not online dater and they're free. So, yeah. Ow. Ow, ow, my back hurts. How about I'm just gonna get this girl? I'm gonna see if Haley's an online. Never mind. I'm not gonna get that girl because she's an admin. Carol, messed up. I'm gonna go find a, Nathan, where are you at? You're still there, by the way. Oh my gosh, no. Why did that girl literally private? Oh my god. Okay. Nathan, where you at? Nathan, you're gonna talk or no? I wanna take my horse to the old town. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse. Oh. I thought he left the call for a second. Well, Nathan, you're right here. Why were you hiding the whole time from me, you bad boy? Why? Well, I have to bring you. Well, guys, Nathan's mom took his controller, so now I have to bring him everywhere. Oh no, there's Ella, which we trolled, so we're not gonna go back there. Well, Nathan, you're just gonna have to troll with me. But I have to bring you everywhere. So, you know what? Just let me get this ag. I'm gonna I'm gonna get Dreamy. I'm gonna say you're cute, and if she says, do you want to go? If she says yes when I ask her, do you want to go? She's an online dater. Do you want to go out? I'm just gonna say, do you want to go out? I'm not gonna say you're cute. Do you want to go out? Do you want? Never mind. She's not answering. So I'm gonna go troll another person. Oh, Nathan, you're right there. I didn't see you. Sorry. Oh, wrong person. No, I'm just gonna get egg. Never mind. Hi. Wanna go out? Bro, she's an online dater. She has a heart, and she says yes. She's a triple online dater. Okay. I can't believe she said okay. Oh my. I can't believe she said, oh, well, wait, what? Two of them want to now. Dreamy, what are you, Nathan, a girl was on you? A girl was on you. Let's go. She's actually an online dater. Okay, I'm gonna expose her right when I get in my house. I'm gonna expose her right now. Because I have to end the video like right now. Gotta go to bed very soon. Get exposed on YT online. Get exposed on YT online dater. Bye bye. Well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.